Hello and welcome back to the channel everyone. This is Basit sir welcoming you to your own classes, The Tutors. Today we are going to continue with chapter number 2.5, Let's March. Yesterday we completed its part 1 of the speech. Today we are going to complete with part 2. Okay. So till yesterday we saw in his speech, whose speech, I forgot the name of the author, Kailash Satyarthi. This chapter is based on, as I said yesterday, it is based on children, okay, and their atrocities. Atrocities means उनके साथ होने वाले जो बुरी चीज़ें हैं, अत्याचार बोलते हैं हम लोग उसको, उस पे बेस्ड है. Basically, yesterday we took 40% of the speech. Today we are going to take 30%, and in the next lecture, that is part 3, we are going to take more 30% of the speech and we are going to complete this chapter. So Kailash Satyarthi discussed in lecture number 1, we discussed what Kailash Satyarthi said about child trafficking, child atrocities, child laborship, child different types of slaveries and all. Okay, so today we are going to continue with that topic only. Yesterday when I took the lecture, we discussed about problems of children, and in that problems, we came to a halt at one place, that what can we do as an individual. Okay, so the answer is in part 2. As an individual, what we can do to help children get rescued from the slavery, the child trafficking and all. Okay, so the answer is in part 2. We can do it. You may ask that what can one person do? I would recall a story of my childhood. A heavy fire had broken out in the forest. All the animals were running away, including lion, the king of the forest. Suddenly then he saw a tiny bird rushing towards the fire. He asked the bird, "What are you doing?" The lion surprised the bird. The lion's surprise. The bird replied, "I am going to extinguish the fire." The lion laughed and said, "How can you do it? Keeping just one drop of water in your beak." Beak मतलब उसकी चोंच. The bird was adamant and said, "I am doing my bit." This is a simple story. ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं. What this particular story says, that moral क्या है? That each and every person can contribute their bit. Okay, whatever our potential is, whatever we can do from ourselves, with our power, with our action, with our strength, with our knowledge, we should do that particular thing in a very positive way to make sure that we do something good to this planet. Okay, we have ample of power. Okay, we have ample of power, but those powers are of waste if we don't use it in a proper way for a proper cause. So what Kailash Satyarthi is saying, that the bird had a power, that the bird had a beak in which the bird can carry one drop of water. That one drop of water is the contribution she is giving to extinguish the fire in the forest. If possible, she could have also ran away, but she is doing her bit. She is doing her contribution. She is giving her contribution in a very positive way. The king of the jungle, the lion, also failed in realizing this particular thing, that he can contribute to. 18 years ago, millions of individuals marched across the globe and demanded a new international law for the abolition of worst form of child labor, and it happened. We did it. Millions of individuals did it. Now he is telling, Kailash Satyarthi is sharing his experience of one more incident. He is saying that 18 years ago, millions of individuals marched across the globe, and they demanded a new international law for abolition of child labor and child atrocities. the things children are facing these days, for that 18 years ago many millions of people came together and they marched just to make sure that a new law can come into force. And the law came into force and they did it and they won the battle with peace, without any weapons, without any war, without any violence. Okay, so what actually I am trying to say, what actually this particular author is trying to say, this man is trying to say in his speech: friends, we live in an age of rapid globalization. We are connected through high speed internet. We exchange our goods and services in one single global market. Thousands of flights every day connect us from one corner to another corner of the globe. But there is one serious disconnect, and there is lack of compassion. Let us inculcate and transform these individuals' compassion into a global compassion. Let us globalize compassion. Simple सा paragraph है and it is very very highly effective. What he says that we are connected to internet through full globe. हम लोग पूरे अर्थ पे एक दूसरे से इंटरनेट से कनेक्टेड है. We are connected on Facebook, we are connected on Instagram, we are connected on WhatsApp, we are connected through flights. We are doing global market. We are practicing global market. You can purchase any goods and services from any corner of the world, and you can import and export any goods and services from any corner of the world. You can export to any corner of the world. So if the whole world is connected with so many things, why the world is not connected with compassion? I am having my own compassion. You people, you all individuals are having your own compassion. One single compassion. If we build together, if we globalize all the compassions in the world, हर इंडिविजुअल का एक एक जुनून है, कंपैशन है, तो वो सब जुनून को अगर हमने एक साथ जोड़ दिया, पॉजिटिविटी को एक साथ जोड़ दिया, तो सी what will be the result? We will have a global compassion, not an individual compassion, not individual compassion. We will have the whole world as a united compassion to fight with any of the things without violence. समझ में आ रहा है? In simple words, we need to make this. We need to remain united. We need to think alike. That is very very difficult task to achieve. But if we all realize that all the things which are happening around us is bad, if we realize the same things, if we realize that this thing is bad, this thing is good, and if we raise our voices, everyone raise our voices against the bad evil things happening in the society, we can make sure that that particular bad thing can come to an end. Just because we can do it in a united way, our individual compassions can turn into global compassion. Okay, Mahatma Gandhi said, if we are to teach real peace in the world, we shall have to begin with the children. I humbly add, let us unite the world through the compassion for our children. He tells a statement, he expresses a statement about Mahatma Gandhi, what he said: if we want to inculcate anything in the world, you need to inculcate first that thing to the children. If you want the world to become bad, you need to teach children the bad things. If you want good things to happen in the world, you need to teach children good things. The children are the future of the earth, of the planet Earth. They will do what they have been taught. Okay, so he adds, Kailash Satyarthi, he adds to his statements that I agree with Mahatma Gandhi, and I want that each and every child in this planet, on this planet, should become free and should adopt the practice of peace. Each and every child has the right to adopt peace in their life. We are responsible if we are not giving them their rights. I ask, whose children are they who stitch footballs yet never play with one? Whose children are they who harvest cocoa yet have never tasted chocolate? Whose children are those who are dying of Ebola? Whose children are they who are kidnapped and held hostage? They are all our children. If someone is suffering from cancer, Ebola, if the child is poor, if the child is in laborship, if the child is suffering from slavery, if the child is suffering from human trafficking, prostitution, so many things. If the child is suffering from so many things, who is responsible for all such things? We are responsible for all such things because we belong to that planet which they belong. We are responsible that we are not acting for the positive life what they should have. We are not doing good things for them. They are relying on good people like us, and we are so good that we don't want to do any good things now. It is our responsibility, and it is just because of us that they are in a wrong place right now. I remember an 8-year-old girl we rescued from intergenerational forced labor from stone quarries. When she was sitting in my car, right after her rescue, she asked me, listen to this statement, she asked Kailash Satyarthi, why did you not come earlier? This is the anger she is having in her eyes. 8-year-old child. Kailash Satyarthi, he rescued the child, 8-year-old child from quarries of stones, from child laborship. She was in a slave. She was in a slavery act. She was rescued by Kailash Satyarthi and team. And then when she got rescued, when she was sitting beside to Kailash Satyarthi in car, she asked him, why didn't you come earlier? Her anger, her angry question still shakes me and has the power to shake the whole world. Her question is for all of us. What are we doing? What are we waiting for? How many girls will be allowed to go without rescue? She was rescued by Kailash Satyarthi, but it took them a lot of time. That's the reason she was angry. Why didn't you come earlier? This man is not the parent of that child, but she believed that someone like him will come and rescue her. That's the reason she, with full her, you can say that पूरे अधिकार, पूरे rights के साथ उसने पूछा, why didn't you come earlier? He is a stranger for that girl, but still she believed in him and asked a question with full dignity. Why did you come earlier? Where were you? The question these children are asking to Kailash Satyarthi and team made them shook. It is very, very difficult for good people to believe that they are no more good. If they are not doing good acts, what is the use of being good? Okay? Children are questioning our inactions and watching our actions. Children are watching that we can act for them, but we are not acting. We can do something for them, but we are not doing. We need collective actions with a sense of urgency. Okay, we need collective actions. What does collective action means? That it is not a work of individual, but it is a work of many individuals. बहुत सारे लोग एक साथ मिलके फटाक से काम करने चाहिए. फटाक से means in an urgent. फटाक से, what is this फटाक से word? We need collective actions with a sense of urgency. We need to act as early as possible with many people, with collective efforts. Every single minute matters, every single child matters, every single childhood matters. Every single minute is a point of matter, every child is a point of matter, and every childhood is a matter. What is the use of rescuing a child when she has missed her childhood? If a child is getting kidnapped at the age of 3 or 4 and you people rescue them in the age of 25, what is the use of being rescued? You never enjoyed your childhood. You were enslaved when you were child. Now you are an adult. Now when you got rescued, now you have to starve for food. Now you have to work for food. What is the use of this life? It is us who need to preserve, who need to make sure that no child gets into this trap and no child gets its childhood wasted. Last paragraph. Therefore, I challenge the passivity and pessimism surrounding our children. I challenge this culture of silence and this culture of passivity, this culture of neutrality. I challenge this culture of passivity. Passivity means like assuming that everything is right around us, everything is happening good around us, and we need to do nothing. That is wrong. We need to not stay neutral. We need to leave the neutrality of our life. We need to live an abnormal life. We need to challenge our limits, that how we can cultivate a culture of saving children around us who are in child trafficking, who are in slavery, who are in child labor. Okay, so this was not a huge lecture but a very good lecture on this particular speech which we started yesterday. This was part 2 of that particular chapter. Okay, it is a speech written by Kailash Satyarthi, and if this man is on Instagram, I am going to follow him. I am a fan of this man right now. Okay, let's see if I can contribute something. Let's see if you people want to contribute something. You should do it right away after you become an adult, after you gain your sanity, after you make sure that you are in your age of doing something right now. At your level you can do, at your bits you cannot. Now for now you are that sparrow which was saving the forest. Okay, you're small but still you can contribute something or the other. You can make sure that you spread positivity around people. Okay, so this was Basit sir thanking you to listening me to such a huge such a beautiful lecture. Okay, also please do not go out because it is going to be a rainy week, and do not forget to like this channel, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much.